Welcome to Nexus step-by-step training, where we'll guide you through the steps of updating a customer's contact details, adding an additional contact to an existing customer, and setting the new contact as the billing contact. Starting on the overview page, we need to open an existing customer. Use one of the methods from how to search for customers, and in this example, I'm searching via the customers icon on the main menu. First, find the customer you want to update and select Open. Once the customer opens, click on the Contacts tab. In this example, there are already a couple of contacts, but let's add another. Click on New Contact. Here, you can add any details about the new customer contact. You can select the property from the drop-down, which will allow you to see every property that is attached to this customer. Once you've entered all the information, click Save. As you can see, I didn't have to enter a mobile and an email. As that is already in the main customer settings, the system will allow you to skip those details. If you need to edit a contact's details, click on Open next to that customer. Here, you can update any contact details. In this example, I might change the job position and click Save. Now that there are multiple contacts in our list, we can allocate who we want as the main contact and who we want to set as the billing contact. You can see at the moment that Matt Brown is listed as main and Joe Brown is listed as billing. Let's change Katie to the new billing. Hover over Open and click Set as Billing. And it's just as easy to do the same thing with main. Hover and click Set as Main. And that's all for this video. Happy learning!